Welcome to Change Your Story, the podcast that helps women build a fit mind, a fit body, and a fit life from the inside out. I'm your host and transformation coach, Hannah Dawson. I'm a personal trainer, nutrition educator, and mindset mentor, and I am here to help you feel strong, confident, and free in your body, not by starving, shrinking, or punishing yourself, but by training with a purpose, eating with a purpose, and having faith through the process so you can change the way you see yourself forever. Inside this podcast, we break free from diet culture, perfectionism, and all the stories that have held you back. We rewrite the new ones rooted in truth, strength, and self-love. You will hear real talk, faith-fueled encouragement, proven fitness and nutrition strategies, and the mindset tools you need to stay consistent, stay focused, and believe in yourself again. If you are ready to stop starting over, build a life you love, and finally change your story, you are in the right place. Let's build a fit mind, a fit body, and a fit life. Let's rewrite your story. What is up, you guys? Welcome back, my girlies, my fit sisters, to the Change Your Story podcast. So today's episode is for the woman who has been trying everything: cardio, cutting calories, working harder, doing more, and still wondering why her body isn't changing. You want the results. You want to feel strong, lean, confident in your skin. But what you might not know is your body is responding. It's just not responding the way you want yet, okay? Let's talk about what actually changes your body and how to finally start working with your body instead of against it. Are you with me? Are you ready? Let's get into it. We're going to start talking about the myths that keep you stuck, ladies. So many women come into fitness believing that more is better. Right? More cardio, less food, smaller portions, lighter weights, more restriction. And here's what happens. Your metabolism slows down, your energy tanks, your sleep gets worse, your cravings spike, your body feels inflamed, bloated, puffy, and stuck. And you think, something must be wrong with me. It must be my hormones. It must be my metabolism. It must be my age. It must be my genetics. But here's the thing. It's none of those things and nothing's wrong with you. Your body isn't resisting you. It is actually responding perfectly to the signals that you are sending it. So how does your body actually change? Let's get into some real talk. If you want your body to change, here's what actually changes it. And I'm so excited to share this with you. I hope this paints a picture for you. I'm a very visual person. I like analogies. So I have made this so that I can explain this in a way that I hope paints a picture for you. So this is how it works. First things first, you need mechanical tension from strength training. All right, so when you lift weights, especially when you are training with intensity and intention, you create something called mechanical tension in your muscles. This causes microscopic tears. So when they say you tear your muscle fibers, that's what it means. This is not a bad thing. This is very important for muscle building. It's your body's cue to adapt. It's like your muscles are saying, hey, brain, we are under stress. We need to be stronger next time. So then from there, your body sends in these little worker bees, these messengers. They start rebuilding the process. But here's the catch. They need materials to do the job. These workers need materials to go back, and it needs resources to go back and build and repair this area. And so this is why recovery is where the magic happens, ladies. You don't change your body in the actual workout. You change your body after the workout in rest, in sleep, in nourishment. This is the key to understand. So without recovery, your body cannot build. All right. And when you keep punishing harder, adding more workouts, eating less, running on stress, Your body doesn't say thank you. It says danger, shut it down, conserve energy. Your body, ladies, needs resources to respond. Your metabolism is always scanning. Do I have enough fuel to support this? Can I send out those little workers? Do we have what we need? And if the answer is no, your body downshifts. Your hormones shift, you lose your cycles, your sleep gets worse, you feel puffy, nothing is changing because your body can't do what you want it if you are not giving it what it needs. And this is where most women get lost. They think that their body is broken, that something is wrong with them. I have been there. Okay, you guys, I have been there. I have said these things, but I hear so many women, it's my hormones. It's all of these issues, all of these things, and it's not. It's important to understand, ladies, that when you give your body what it needs, your body will do what you want. I will live and die by that quote. That is my quote. I made that quote up. I just felt like it came to me when I was building my relationship with myself. When you give your body what it needs, your body will do what you want. Write it down, put it in the mirror, put it somewhere where you'll never forget that. You are not broken. You are not too old. You are not stuck. Your body is speaking to you. Are you listening? Yes, right now. I'm talking to you. Are you listening? Are you getting all of this information? Let me be real with you, okay? If your body isn't changing, it's not because you are not trying hard enough. It's because you are either not training hard enough to create real tension, or you're not recovering enough to let change happen, or you are not fueling enough to support growth and repair. Or you are doing too much out of fear, not from faith in the process. When you train, your body listens. When you eat, your body listens. When you rest, your body listens. Your body is not the problem. The problem is the conflicting signals you're sending it. It's signals and messages like this. You are asking your body to build strength while feeding it like it's starving. You are asking it for results without giving it the conditions to create them. And girl, I get it. I've been there. It's the thing too. A lot of the time, we can be doing all of the right things. We can be fueling it properly. We can be, training with enough. Sometimes you are doing all of those things, but the thing that you stop doing is doing all the things. You get impatient with the process because you are so conditioned from what I would say the media, the industry, to expect instant results. When muscle building, when transformations, they take years. And we've been conditioned to think that will happen in 30 days. So here's the thing. You actually do all those things and you stop. So you do those things for a bit and then you stop. And then you're like, it doesn't work. It's because you gave up, you didn't give it enough time. So it could be a few reasons. But if you do all those things, you have to be patient. That's why you have to focus on those wins, ladies. That's why you have to focus on, creating the lifestyle and making sure you're enjoying your workouts and creating meals that you love and really falling in love with your quiet time in the morning and building a relationship with yourself. I gotta say, self-relationship is the most important relationship you'll ever have. And if you could just fall in love with this version of yourself, of becoming this healthiest version of yourself, your life will drastically change. It doesn't matter if you're married or you have kids or your kids are grown, or if you're not married, you can start building your relationship with yourself anytime. And health and fitness is such a great way because it's a way that we love ourselves. We start flipping the script, changing the story around why we do these things. We do them because we love ourselves. We get stronger because it feels good. It gives us energy. We eat healthy because it makes us feel good. It gives us energy. It helps our mental health. We take time in the morning to journal because it's just such a beautiful, sacred time with ourselves. We get to know who we are and we get to like who we are. And it makes all of these other things just happen without us realizing, because we start falling in love with the process. This is exactly why I created the Fit Club, because I know what it's like to feel lost in the noise, to be doing all the right things but seeing no results. And more than anything, to think that it's your fault, to think that there's something wrong with me, and then the industry is so quick to make money off of your frustration. That's what it's built for. That's what the marketing is built for. It is built for women that are ignorant to what really changes the body, that are desperate for a quick fix. And then they take your money only for you to feel more lost, more frustrated than ever, and to give up on the healthy things that actually do the transformation. You give up on everything. That is why I created the Fit Club, because I once was that person, and I wanted to build something that would not only help you, that would cut through all the bullshit and all the noise, but would help you build a healthy relationship with yourself through helping you build a fit mind, through helping you build a fit body, through helping you live a fit life. That's what actually changes your body. And in a way that is simple and sustainable and science-backed. That is what I've created for you inside the Fit Club app. How to train with purpose, not just move for the sake of burning calories. How to fuel your body for fat loss, muscle gain, maintenance with real freedom. It's a whole system. It's a whole structure. There are phases to your body and to your life and to your fitness. How to stop sabotaging yourself with old patterns and build a new story. How to build a fit mind, a fit body, and a fit life from the inside out. You will also get access to the Nutrition School, where we go deeper into these principles with tools, lessons, support to help you stop guessing and start creating real results. This isn't just another program. It is a lifestyle you've been craving. It is a way to start building your relationship with yourself, with your body, and really to start changing your story. So let me leave you with this. Your body is always talking to you. It is not punishing you. It is not broken. It is only responding to the signals that you are sending it. If it's not doing what you want, ask yourself, am I giving it what it needs? Because when you give your body what it needs, your body will do what you want. With that said, ladies, I'm so thankful and grateful for you tuning in today. If this episode resonated with you, take a screenshot, share it in your stories, and tag me, because I want to know that it impacted you. I want to know that it clicked for you. I want to know that it helped you, and I can share it with somebody else that may be struggling, that hasn't heard of the podcast, or that it will bring awareness to more women and help more women change their stories. And if you are ready to change your story for good, if you are not already a part of the Fit Club community, check the show notes and join the Fit Club today. You get your first 7 days for free. And I'll see you inside the Fit Club. Until next time, keep showing up, keep trusting the process, and remember, you are the woman who already lives in her dream body. Bye for now. Until next time.